So we are here at Ross to see what they have new, and I have found the best time to come to Ross is on a Saturday, because I think at least my Ross gets their truck on Friday. So they have this, I have something similar to this in black. I think I might get that. Not that I need it, but this piece, $12.99. These knots or chains rather for $9.99. These are $6.99. I have this oversized knot. I've seen something similar to this at CB2. It's $9.99. It's quite large. They have this coral looking vase. Sea Gallery used to sell something very similar to this. It's $10.99. Nice. They have these little trays for $6.99. And they have these black and white trays. You guys know I love that. This one's $14.99. And then this one is $16.99. I think we'll put this tray in the cart and see. We might get it, we might not. They have marble candlesticks, $7.99 for the small one and $8.99 for the larger one. These are nice. That's heavy. $8.99. There's two of those. I have this marble bowl that everybody's always getting. It's $34.99. We've seen those things before. Those are not new. This is new. It is $16.99. They have these trays that are $14.99. This is also new. This is $14.99. It's not travertine, it's like a ceramic. Have the wood bowl, or the white wood bowl, $14.99. These knots, $6.99. This big tray, $16.99. They have this. I have something like this already. It's $9.99. But I've seen these at CB2 for a lot more. So that's new. What else can we find new? Baskets. What's on this side? We've seen these before. Those before. These we haven't seen. This is $5.99. And then this is also $5.99, although that's a little bit bigger. Reminds me of a vase that I already have that's taller. It came from HomeGoods. And then another one of these. And this larger vase. And I don't see anything else new. This piece is still here. This is $16.99. So, a few new things, but not a lot. But I do think I'm going to get this tray and that box. And that. in a bathroom. It's $16.99. I think we'll get that too. Alright, let's see what else we can find. Modern artwork. It's $25. And they have that one. It's $20, and then they have an all gold one behind it. Not my style. What is this? This is silver, and it's $30. You know, silver is trending. They have these flowers. These remind me of something that Rhonda and Shonda might pick up. And these are $17. And there's two of them. What else? Lots and lots of mirrors. Doesn't look like they have a lot of new artwork though. They have this two-piece set. That's what it looks like. And it's $70. They have this. They have that piece, and it's $24.99. I'm looking for a piece of artwork to go above my TV in my home office that is about this size, but not this color. And it's $40. Yep, not a lot of artwork today. This one is $60. That's how that looks. So, not a lot today. I think I'll go over to HomeGoods, where I have some free money to play with. This I'll give birthday money. See what's over here. Not a lot. A few wood pieces. $9.99. $14.99 for this bowl. This Lazy Susan is $20. Coasters, $9.99, $7.99, and this one, $5.99. Still have those vases. They don't have the glasses anymore though. Furniture. What kind of furniture do they have? I need a table. I feel like I need a table in my home office. What can I find? I don't like any of these things. Anything on this side? I saw this last time. Would that be too big for my office? It's got handprints on it. And I'm not paying $100 for this. It's not worth $100. Those resting tables. Nothing here. All right, let's go to Home Goods. So I found these pillows. You guys know I have a safari chic theme for spring and summer. And I love this black and white cheetah print. 2 decorative pillows. And it is $18. I don't need any more pillows. But I like these. So nice. They also have the zebra ones over here, and they're $20. Why are they more? They must be bigger. These are 20 by 20, and that's 20 by 22, so it's more. Lots of nice pillows. I have this black one. Lots of nice pillows. This is so loved, 20 by 20, $18. I don't need any more pillows. Get out of the pillow owl, Cheryl. These are here too. $18. No more pillows for you. Put those pillows